Maintenance is rarely a one-time job. It's the messages, the access dates, the quotes, the chasing, and somewhere in there, the actual fix. Here's how COHO sorts the rest of it. Every COHO property gets a QR code. You can print it off and stick it up in the communal areas. Tenants scan it, log the issue themselves, add the photo, and authorise access. No WhatsApp at 11 PM. No, can I pop round on Thursday? It's all in the log. But before any of that, COHO catches the small stuff. If a tenant's about to log, the Wi-Fi is down, or the boiler's not heating, they get a troubleshooting card first. Reset the router, repressurise the boiler. The kind of thing that shouldn't need a maintenance job. For the real jobs that require professional attention, assign it to your supplier, and they're able to see everything they need. The address, the access code, the photos, the description. They can message the tenant directly to arrange a visit, so you're not stuck in the middle. But if you need to, you can still track every step of the process. Once the job is started, estimates and invoices all come back through the app. If you need to approve the work before it goes ahead, COHO routes it to you. If you don't, the supplier just gets on with it. COHO doesn't do the fixing, but it takes care of everything around it.